The first factor that we're going to do out of the polynomial expressions is going to be 3x minus 12. The first step that we need to do is find the same factor that could go into each number. So the 3 would go into the same one. We cancel this 3x over 3 out, and then we get x minus 12 over 3 equals 3. We plug in the x from this into the parentheses, and then if you divide the negative 12 divided by 3, it's going to be negative 4. So if you realize the problem, we got this canceled out already. We figured that out. We plugged it in. The last answer will be 3 parentheses x minus 4. And then that's the answer. Another factor that we chose to do is going to be 2x minus y minus b x minus y. To factor this out, you're going to write it out again as 2x minus y minus b x minus y. And the first factor that will come out is going to be x minus y. Then the second, from the first term, I'm going to have 2 left over. So it's going to be 2 and then also b. Where is it? 2 and b. So it's going to be 2 minus b. And the final answer is going to be x minus y, 2 minus b. And that's the answer. Your name? Hold on.
Alright, to answer this rational expression, you need to factor out this equation. Since the top part, you can't really factor it, so you just move it over.
Wait.
And for the bottom part, you can factor it out, and it will be x plus 3 and x minus 4. And from here, you can cancel out x plus 3 and x plus 3, and your answer will be 1 over x minus 4. Or it could just equal x minus 4. Alright, to answer this rational expression, it's quite simple since it's all factored out. All you have to do is cancel x plus 3, and it'll give you x plus 4 over x plus 2. And from there, that's the answer itself, and you don't have to do anything else. Alright, to answer this rational expression, it's quite simple because it's not complicated like the other ones. So from right here, you factor it out, it'll be 2 times x over x times x, and then from there you just cancel out the common factors, which will be x and x, and from there that'll give you 2 over x, which is your final answer. Alright, to answer this problem, first you need to put 2 parentheses. And then from there you need to find out a number that adds up to 5 and that multiplies to 6. And since it's 2x's, x squared, put x in each of the parentheses. And a number that adds up to 5 and that multiplies to 6 is x plus 3 and x plus 2. This is the final answer, but if you want to double check to make sure it's correct, you can do the distributive property. When you do this, x times x will be x squared, x times 2 will be 2x, And then do the same thing for the 3. That'll be 3x plus 6, and you add the common factors, and that would be x squared plus 5x plus 6, which is the same thing as to this. That's how you answer this problem.